Hello all my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Children, do you remember what did we learn in the previous lecture? Yes, we studied the magic words in the lesson. And what is the name of the lesson? Yes, the name of the lesson is Soham's ball. And which are the magic words that we learned? The 5 magic words that we learn are thank you, please, sorry, excuse me and welcome. So children, before we start the new topic, let's read the Soham's ball lesson aloud. Topic number 9, Soham's ball. Soham and Sam are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mani's garden. Sam asks for the ball. Excuse me, may I have the ball please? Sure, here it is. After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mani's garden. Now, Soham asks for the ball. Give me the ball. No, I won't, said Mr. Mani. Why does Mr. Mani say no? How is Soham feeling? How is Mr. Mani feeling? Soham tries again. Uncle, may I have the ball please? How does Mr. Mani feel now? Thank you, said Soham. Children, these are the magic words. Read aloud. Thank you, welcome, excuse me, sorry. Repeat again. Thank you, welcome, excuse me and sorry. Now children, let's begin with the new topic. Page number 12. Topic number 10. Things that go together. Children, look at this picture. Number 1. Name the following picture. Look at the first one. What is this picture of? Yes, the picture is of a cup. We use the cup to have tea. Then you can see the table, ball, paint, chair, brush, saucer, bat, umbrella, hen, lock, pencil, egg, key, notebook and rain. Look at this picture and children read the spelling loudly. C-U-P, cup. Read again. C-U-P, cup. What is this? This is a table. The table is made from the wood. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-A-B-L-E, table. B-A-L-L, ball. Read again. B-A-L-L, ball. P-A-I-N-T, paint. P-A-I-N-T, paint. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Read again. C-H-A-I-R, chair. B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. Read again. S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Read again. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. When do we use umbrella? In the rainy season, to protect ourselves from the rain. H-E-N, hen. Read again. H-E-N, hen. L-O-C-K, lock. L-O-C-K, lock. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. E-double-G, egg. Read again. E-double-G, egg. K-E-Y, key. Read again. K-E-Y, key. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Now children, we are going to match the things that go together. Let's start. Now the cup and the saucer. Cup and the saucer. Table and chair. Ball and bat. Then paint and paintbrush. Umbrella and rain. Hen and egg. Lock and key. Pencil and notebook. We write in the notebook with the help of pencil. Number 2, match the pairs. Read again. Match the pairs. We have to match the things which go together. Now let's start. Cup and saucer. Table and chair. Ball and bat. Paint and brush. Umbrella with rain. Hen, egg. Lock and key. Pencil and notebook. Now children, here I am going to show you few more examples. Match the things which get along. Bat and ball. Bat we have to match with ball. Bat and ball. Lamp with bulb. We have to match lamp and the bulb. Then knife and bread and jam. We apply jam on the slice of bread with the help of knife. So bread and jam. Then the plant and watering can. Okay, this watering can are used to water the plants. Then ship and the anchor. Ship and anchor. Now in here, dog and bone. The dog and the bone. You can see a dog and bone. Then toothpaste and toothbrush. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Then petrol and car. Then Christmas tree and gifts. Shirt and pant. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Shoes and socks. Pen and paper. Read again. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Shoes and socks. Pen and paper. Children, let us revise the topic again. CUP, cup. TABLE, table. BALL, ball. PAINT, paint. CHAIR, chair. BRUSH, brush. SAUCER, saucer. BAT, bat. UMBRELLA, umbrella. HEN, hen. LOCK, lock. PENCIL, pencil. EGG, egg. KEY, key. NOTE, BOOK, notebook. RAIN, rain. Children, repeat after me. CUP, cup. Read loudly. CUP, cup. TABLE, table. TABLE, table. BALL, ball. PAINT, paint. CHAIR, chair. BRUSH, brush. SAUCER, saucer. BAT, bat. UMBRELLA, umbrella. HEN, hen. LOCK, lock. PENCIL, pencil. EGG, egg. KEY, key. NOTE, BOOK, notebook. RAIN, rain. Children, let's match the things that go together. Cup and saucer, table and chair, bat and ball, paint and paintbrush, umbrella and rain, egg and hen, lock and key, notebook and pencil. Match the pairs. CUP, cup, and SAUCER, saucer. TABLE, table, and CHAIR, chair, table and the chair. BALL, ball, and BAT, bat, ball and bat. PAINT, paint, and BRUSH, brush, paint and brush. UMBRELLA, umbrella, and RAIN, rain. HEN, hen. EGG, egg, hen and the egg. LOCK, lock, and KEY, key, lock and key. PENCIL, pencil, and notebook. NOTE, BOOK, notebook, pencil and notebook. Match the things which get along. Bat and ball, lamp and bulb, bread and jam, plant and the watering can, ship and the anchor, dog and the bone, toothbrush and toothpaste, petrol and the car, Christmas tree and Christmas gifts, shirt and pant, toothpaste and toothbrush, shoes and socks, pen and paper. Children, I hope you all have understood today's topic, things that go together. We shall meet very soon with the next new topic. Till then, bye and take care. Thank you.